What if there was an AI agent like ClAUDE, but with better UI, all of the best models, and significantly cheaper? That agent is Droid, created by Factory AI. This has to be the most underrated coding agent I've ever used. Real quick, I'm hiring a video editor, so if you want to work with me, make sure to apply. The link is below the video. Alright, so to set up Droid, you need to go to the factory.ai website. We're going to use the terminal IDE version. So select your operating system, either macOS or Linux or Windows, and just copy this command right here. Boom, copy. Open up your global terminal. There it is. And simply paste it in and hit enter. This will install Droid globally on the machine. Next up, open your favorite IDE. Let's open an empty folder. Then press Command J using VS Code and VS Code. And here simply type in Droid. Boom, there it is. As you can see, it's like the for ClAUDE. It's just production because ClAUDE is the most polished and smooth coding engine out there. Well, maybe except for Droid. I think Droid might take the number one crown. You'll see what I mean in a bit. And later in the video, I'll show you my current setup for using AI in production. Because there are a lot of things I learned after spending well over 1,000 hours coding with AI. So stay tuned for that. Now, when you first set it up, you'll need to create an account on the website. So just click on top right, login. When you set it up and when you add your card, you get 20 million tokens for free. Yeah, 20 million tokens. Basically, you can use this to build an entire SaaS and deploy it and still have like 10 million left. And by the way, later in the video, I'll show you how it compares to ClAUDE and Codex. Alright, so when you launch Droid, the first thing is the model, right? If you type /model, same as ClAUDE, you'll already see that, wow, you have all the options, right? We have Codex, OpenAI model, Sonnet 4.5, Anthropic model, GPT-5, OpenAI model, Opus 4.1, Anthropic, Haiku, Anthropic, and Droid Core, which is GLM 4.6. I don't know if it's fine-tuned version or not, but this one is open source, the only open source model on here. And actually, GLM 4.6 beats even Sonnet 4.5 on many benchmarks. So we're going to use this one. And another thing to point out is that you can see how many credits it consumes next to each other, right? So Opus is just retardedly expensive. It's crazy. But GLM 4.6 is the best open source model currently, and it's very affordable. I mean, lowest multiplier here. So we're going to use that. The next difference is they haven't built a real startup. They haven't spent over a year, well over 1,000 hours and well over $100,000 building a software company, a real startup that was used by over 65,000 people in production. They haven't done that, right? So their opinion doesn't matter. I've done that, and that's why you need to subscribe, and that's why you're watching this channel. So yeah, if you're watching until the end, make sure to subscribe. It's completely free, takes 2 seconds, and it will make sure that you don't miss these videos in the future. That being said, thank you guys for spending the time for watching this video, and I wish you a wonderful, productive week. See ya.